Mr. Sunny is back at it. He's got a whole host of ideas that can help you on your next project. Help you do some simple DIYs around the house maybe. And the first is a really neat way to cap the end of a wire. Maybe you haven't got a professional clipper. Well, check this out. Using a nut and a bolt, you can cap the end of one. Simply tighten on all sides, and that cable end isn't going anywhere. And if you're doing some woodworking, and your vise and those metal grips are doing damage to the material you're working on, well, here's a way to quickly create some wooden teeth or grips for that vise. Cut them away in the shape that you'll need to fit them around the existing teeth. Slot them into place, and to create some grip, you can actually take a bolt and slowly tighten it, lowering it and raising it in different directions to create that grip texture. Here, another amazing idea. Using the rough side of a sponge to create a grinding tool or grinding bit for your drill or rotary tool. And all you'll need is a fine bolt washer and a nut on either side of this stack of sponge pads. Now time to test it out on some pipe and just check that out. Have you got a tangled cable and do you need it braided? Well, if you've got a vise and a drill, that's no problem. Just watch it straighten this cord right out. Simple as that. This next idea, something you probably didn't realize your measure tape was good for. That's right, it can be a compass. Look at that, a perfect circle, and you've measured it perfectly because you used a measure tape. Here's a totally different type of compass, made from an old and busted set of pliers. Maybe you've got one of those lying around. Well, clean it up first and drill holes in the end of the handles. Then, you can fill those ends with the sharp ends of two nails. Weld them into place so that they're nice and secure. And now what you'll need to do is create a bracket that's adjustable to allow you to take measurements and then secure those two arms in place. Not sure exactly what I mean? Just watch closely. A slide and a couple of bolts are placed across the two arms. Two nuts to hold them in place and make it adjustable. Now you can take a measurement and then on a piece of sheet metal separately, score that into place, no problem. Thanks, Mr. Sunny.